Hey y'all.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
It's that time of year again when you get out and you do all the events that are happening in your area. So here we are at...
Hey, we're at Lulu's for the Christmas lighted boat parade.
And it's in Gulf Shores, Alabama every year.
And it's long sleeve weather here. It's in the low 50s right now.
Yeah,
and
it's really nice weather.
It's still very nice for Christmas time.
Yeah.
Beautiful. So we're going to go check out Lulu's while we wait for the boat parade.
Yep, so here we go.
So here we go.
Here we are. Behind us, as you can see, is a 3-story tall ropes course, and it's called Mountain of Terror. Oh yeah, Mountain of Youth.
Yes.
I think it's Mountain of Terror because I'm afraid of heights for some reason. I don't know why, but it looks pretty cool.
Yeah, now this ropes course is for, you have to be 48 inches tall, and I think it's $14. There's a smaller ropes course for the ones that are under 48 inches tall. That's lane.
Yeah, there it goes. Okay, let's go check out this over here.
Let's do it.
Here's a pavilion if you want to sit and watch your kids while they do the ropes course. Or whoever you're with that's not afraid of the ropes course.
That's right.
Check this out. This is the biggest cat litter box I've ever seen. I'm kidding. It's a sand course. It's where kids can play with like sand buckets and build sandcastles, and there's beach volleyball, and there's I think cornhole and some other games that you can come and play as you're waiting on your table, or after you've gotten your fill of your food, go work some of that food off. And anyways, it's kind of cool right now, and there's people out there doing their thing, so it's really neat. Okay, y'all, now look, it's Billy Claus's Lulu Bells.
Oh.
Okay, here's some facts for y'all. If you come to Gulf Shores during the holiday season, especially for Christmas this time of year, they have 2 really cool things. One, at a place called the Floribama, which is over in Orange Beach, Santa Claus literally parachutes in onto the beach. So you can go see that. Or you can come here to Lulu's where we're at, and you can see his little brother, Billy Claus. Billy Claus comes here to interact with the kids for a little while earlier in the day, and then he's off with his, I think they're called Lulu Bells, and they're kind of like elves, only there are 4 of them, and they're women, and so I got a picture of the back of them, so I'll post it so you'll be able to see what they actually look like from behind. They're very colorful.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you want to see Billy Claus, you might as well come here and learn all about him, or you can actually get Lucy Buffett's book. She wrote a book on Billy Claus, so that tells you the whole story.
She created the character.
Yeah, so that's an interesting fact to know as well.
And one thing about it, everybody's seen Santa Claus, but not everybody's seen Billy Claus. So this is kind of a unique opportunity. You have to be here at Lulu's to see this around Christmas time.
That's right, and everybody's seen elves, but no, not everybody's seen Lulu Bells.
Yeah, the Lulu Bells are the elves of
Billy
Claus. Yeah, so that's interesting.
Yep.
So anyways, getting ready. Everybody's setting up for the boat parades. Lights are starting to come on, so we're just waiting for it to get dark.
Yeah. In all honesty, I don't think Santa could do it without Billy Claus. I think he's like the key factor in the whole scheme of things.
Yeah, he helps. So.
Because it's starting to get kind of more dusk, the sun's going down, we're going to head over and show you what the gift shop looks like. Because if you come here, you have to put your name on a waiting list because the wait's usually a little bit long. So not only can you play on the outdoor games and stuff like that, but you can also go into what they have as a gift shop. And so we're going to take you over there now, and we'll pan through that, and you'll be able to see what that looks like.
So this is a game. They have lots of games and things you can do. So I'll show you this.
Go ahead. No. You hook it. No.
awesome. You're silly. You're silly.
Oh, really?
I gotcha.
Well, the way you have to do it, you have to stand out here and pull it like this. You know.
Oh, okay.
Everybody go try to swing it forward.
Okay.
Gotcha.
That's the deal.
You gotta go to the side. I gotcha.